6 people were killed when a twin-engine Cessna 414 crashed into the ocean off San Diego on Sunday, just minutes after takeoff. The pilot issued a mayday call, reporting difficulty maintaining heading and altitude before being advised to divert into a nearby naval air station. The plane reached only 2,100 feet before crashing under unclear circumstances. The FAA and the NTSB are investigating, and the Coast Guard is searching for the debris field, CNN has reported. Weather at the time was overcast but not severe.